Good morning, dear students. Today it's 1st September 2020, and in chapter 7, fraction, we continue with our new topic addition and subtraction of unlike fraction. Yesterday we had studied about addition and subtraction of like fraction. Today we will study about unlike fraction. So, there is a note: when we add or subtract unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Fractions with a different denominator. Like fractions are those who have same denominators, but unlike fractions are those which have different denominators. So fraction with different denominators. First we convert all the different denominators to a common denominator by finding LCM of all the denominators. Means when different denominators are given, so how we will calculate? We are unable to calculate. So first we need to make them as common, and to make the different denominators common, we need to find the LCM of all the denominators. Like for example, here 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 4 is given. So both the numbers, in both the fractions, 6 and 4 both are different denominators. So we need to find the LCM of 6 and 4 to solve this question. So we can find the LCM of 6 and 4 in the rough side. How? With the help of prime factorization method. So we write 6 and 4 together by using comma in this way. So both the numbers are divisible by prime number 2. So we know that 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 1s are 2, but 3 is not divisible, so 3 comes here as it is. 2 1s are 2, it is divisible. Now what is left among 1 and 3? 3. So 3 1s are 3. We will divide the numbers given over here with prime numbers until we get 1 for all the numbers. Then after we will multiply all the prime numbers we get. So like 2 2 and 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Hence we get that LCM for 6 and 4 is 12. So 12 is the common denominator. Now we know that 6 2s is 12. है ना? 6 2s is 12. So we multiply this 1 by 2. 1 2s are 2, and we know that 4 3s is 12. So we multiply this numerator with 3. 1 3s are 3. So what we get? 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and the denominator is 12. In this way you will solve it. One more example. It is example with 3 fractions: 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 10. Here again 4, 6 and 10, all 3 are different denominators. So we need to find the LCM of all the 3 numbers. So let's come here. We need to find the LCM of 4, 6 and 10. So same process we will apply. We find that prime number which can divide all the 3 numbers. So that is 2. So with the help of 2 we will divide 2. We know that 2 2s is 4, comma, 2 3s is 6, comma, and 2 5s is 10. Now 2 3 and 5. So 2 1s is 2. 3 and 5 are not divisible by 2, so they will be written as it is. Then next is 3 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3, and 5 is not divisible by 3, so 5 as it is. Now 5 1 1 5 1s are 5. So what we get? 2 2 3 and 5. So that we have written here 2 2 3 and 5 in the form of multiplication. So what we get? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Hence we get that the LCM of 4, 6 and 10 is 60. Now we will divide it. So 4 15s are 60. 4 15s are 60. So as we did in the above question, we multiply 3 with 15. 15 threes are 45 plus 6 tens are 60. So 5 multiply by 10. 5 tens are 50. Now plus again 10 6s are 60. That means 1 multiplied by 6. 1 6 are 6. Now add them. 5 plus 6 11 ka 1. Carry 1. 4 1 5 and 5 10. So the answer is 101 upon 60. Next we will do subtract. So now we will study how to do subtract over unlike fractions. As you can see here, for subtract 3 upon 7 and 4 upon 11 is given with the symbol of subtract. 7 and 11 both are unlike fractions, both are different denominators, so both the fractions are unlike fractions. But one more thing is that here the numbers we are using 6 4 6 4 10 are even numbers and they are composite numbers, so we need to take the LCM in this way. But if both the numbers are prime numbers, then there is a easy method to find out the LCM, that is LCM of 7 and 11. To find the LCM of prime numbers, we just multiply both the numbers with each other. Why? Because prime numbers are divisible by only themselves. So 7 will remain 7 and 11 will remain 11. So 7 11s are 77. So LCM for 7 and 11 is 77. So here 77 is the LCM. We know that 7 11s are 77. So we multiply this 3 by 11. So 11 3s are 33 minus 11 7s are 77. So we multiply that 7 with 4. 4 7s are we know is 28. So 33 minus 28, that is 5. So what we get? 5 upon 77 as our answer. Now you need to do exercise 7B in your notebooks as your today's work. Thank you. Have a nice day.